Hey guys, good afternoon. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2008 Pete true heavy haul Triaxle Daycab to show you today. I've gotten it hot. I'm going to do a full walk around, show you underneath the hood, rear ends, frame rail, everything that you'd want to see as if you were standing here. It's got an ISX Cummins, 18 speed, 20 fronts, 20 drop, 46 rears, full double frame. It's also got a headache rack, wet kit, full lockers. 350,000 miles on it. Really nice truck. Let's go ahead and get rolling, show you what we got. See, the operating temperature is up. Low side oil pressure is really good. Very responsive. Oil pressure jumps up. Nice interior as well. Quarter floats on the front, really good shape. No blow by. Only body or paint I see on it's got a scratch on the top of the hood. Don't know if that's gonna necessarily buff out. It's not deep, but it's on the top there. Dual steering gearboxes. Got a really good look to it. One scratch there, spider web. A scratch on the grill surround. Not bad. Used truck stuff, but it is a 2008. But overall, really good look. Headache rack, wet kit, 2 lines there. Relatively clean underneath and inside the frame rails here. Got just a little bit of rust right there, but the rest of the frame doesn't really have any. Doesn't have any on the inside either. So. Air track suspension. Here's a better shot of it. Excellent rubber all the way around. It's got a long slide on it as well. Excellent brakes. Got a rub spot on this plastic fender on this one. Rest of the fenders look really good. Got a spot on this back side. Appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or anything else, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, or you can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.